Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here Solar Baby Solar Lights. Oh, very lights, really nice looking here. These are string lights for outdoor, 22 meter long, 200 LED warm white string lights. Yeah, that's a nice Christmas decoration. Yeah, not only for Christmas, of course. We have 8 modes which we can choose from. It's a solar string lights for outdoor, where though they are weatherproof, for the garden, for trees, for terrace, for balcony, for the decoration, of course. With energy class A triple plus. Yeah. This means 22 meter string lights equipped with 200 LED lights. The distance between the individual LEDs is only 10 centimeters. The super bright miniature LEDs can emit a light, creating a romantic and cozy atmosphere for any occasion. And we have the LED light chain with 8 lightning modes. Each mode brings us a different atmosphere and mood, so that the LED solar lights chains for outside have a wide application, suitable for decoration of gardens, the trees, the bushes, the yard, the porch, or the fence, and so on. And this is a solar LED lights. This is made out of plastic, PVC. They're strong and heat resistant and have a long lifespan. The LED outdoor lights are IP65 waterproof rated and withstand the bad weather such as rain, snow, extrusion and collision, etc. We can safely use them for outdoor decoration, of course. Serve for indoor and outdoor as we need it. But take care, you have a solar panel for power supply. So get the solar panel where the light of our sun is shining there. This outdoor weatherproof solar lights chain with advanced precision increase the photoelectric conversion rate of more than 20%. Has a high battery capacity of 1000 mAh. The solar panels with lamination technology last longer. Fast charging efficiency. This solar light chain is for outdoor. Is during the day automatically charge it by 6 up to 8 hours and works for 8 up to 10 hours at the night time. Automatically, as you can see. It's easy to install. The string lights is fully powered by the solar energy. That means it will be automatically switches on during the nighttime and off and recharge the daytime automatically. Yeah, and on again. Really PD. This is a cloudy environment with a warmth and a romantic feeling. Supports 2 types of solar panel mountings. It only takes a few minutes to complete the installation. Really nice. We does not need a power supply because we have a nice power supply, one of the best power supply, sunlight. This all powers our nice fairy lights here. This is not only for Christmas time for tree decoration. It is for every decoration where no power supply by a cable connection is not required, or that means if there is no lifeline, you can make it because you can use the sunlight on this solar baby solar string lights for outdoor 22 meter and 200 LED in ones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!